My name is Jonathan Happ. I'm an oil painter here in town, and I am the gallery director at Childhood Zen Gallery. I am here working with Liza Brenner on a collaborative installation project with her Art 160 painting program. It is a program that we're calling chronological, and it is a study in historical still lives, particularly Vanitas still life, where we are breaking up the day into segments of hours and assigning each student to create their own still life based on what their life is like at that time. Painting is a language on its own. It is one of the oldest human languages. It has existed for about 40,000 years and is so clearly able to depict abstractions in a way that's entirely different than our written language, in a similar way as music. It's a raw form of expression and contains so many ways of communicating ideas. With the students, we are working on color and light and form and symbolism and composition, which are all simple things to talk about, but kind of very difficult things to master. How do you portray an idea, particularly with this project, an idea about time or a particular feeling visually? Working with students has been great. It's really fun working one-on-one and seeing their individual input on what they chose and how they choose to portray it. It's going to be really fun working with Sean and the Leo Fuller Gallery, getting to put the students' artwork up. Not only are we doing their paintings, but we're including some of the objects to create a really kind of personal look at a portrait of their lives.